Hi everyone. Today I'm taking you guys to the bow thruster room of an offshore supply vessel. So the name itself suggests there are two bow thrusters here. What you are seeing is this bow thruster number 2 motor, and this is a spare motor, and we have bow thruster 2 number 1 motor. Okay. Since these are the bow thrusters, and we call this room as a bow thruster room. Okay, and these are the bow thruster servo pumps. And what is the use of servo pumps, I will explain you later. And these are the starter panels, and we have auto transformer starter panels, and this is the ampere meter. So whenever it starts, it will show the respective current taken by the motor. These are the ampere meters, and these are the starter panel for servo pumps. I have already shown you the servo pumps. These are the starter panels for those servo pumps, and this is the must item. This is the emergency fire pump, and this is a starter panel for the same emergency fire pump, and this is the water mist system, the starter panel for this water mist system, which I will explain you later what is the use of a water mist system. Okay, and this is a pump for the water mist system, and this huge guy, this is the sewage treatment plant. So we have blowaway starter panels, and these are three tanks actually joined together, and it's operational, so I will discuss with you later. And this is the calorifier or hot water heater, and it's already in on position right now. This supplies hot water to the whole system, and this is the hydrophore system, freshwater hydrophore and seawater hydrophore. Two different systems are here, and this is the pressure switch for cut in and cut off. This is the echo sounder panel, and we have this RO plant here. This is a UV sterilizer plant. Currently it's not in use, but this is the UV sterilizer plant. Okay, and this ladder to the is a emergency exit. Okay, guys, so this is a bow thruster room. Okay, I will shortly give you